The histogram below shows the marks distribution of a class of 15 pupils. Calculate the median mark for the class. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. We are going to use this histogram to calculate the median mark for the class. To get the median, we will have to list the marks in ascending order, that is from the smallest to the highest. From the histogram, we can see that the marks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on this axis, we can see the number of students who scored each mark. The first mark is 1, and the number of students who scored 1 is 3, because as we can see, the height of the bar is at 3. So it means that 3 students scored 1. So you have 1, 1, 1, showing the 3 students that scored 1. The next mark is 2, but there is no bar for 2. What it means is that no students scored 2. The next mark is 3. The bar for 3 has a height of 2. What it means is that 2 students scored 3. So let's list that here. We have 3, 3, showing the 2 students that scored 3. The next one is 4. The number of students who scored 4 is 4. As you can see, the height of this bar is at 4. So it means that 4 students scored 4. So let's list that here. We have 4, 4, 4, 4. The next one is 5. There is no bar for 5. It means no students scored 5. The next one is 6. There's no bar for 6. So it means no students scored 6. The next one is 7. The number of students who scored 7 is 3, because the bar for 7 has a height of 3. So it means that 3 students scored 7. Let's list that here. Have 7, 7, 7. The next one is 8. There is no bar for 8, so it means no students scored 8. The next one is 9. The number of students who scored 9 is 1, because the height of this bar is at 1, so it means that 1 student scored 9. Let's list that here. And the last one is 10. The number of students who scored 10 is 2. So we have 10, 10. We now have the marks listed in ascending order. The median mark will be the mark at the middle of the distribution. We have 15 pupils in the class. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. The median will be the mark at the middle. Since it's 15 in number, we will have 7 on the left and 7 on the right. And as you can see, the mark in the middle will be the 8th mark, and the 8th mark is 4. So what it means is that the median mark is 4. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A.